Hey, yo! How you doing? Today I'm gonna show you how you can use a private voice channel generation Discord bot for your server or your projects. And trust me, this thing is a total game changer. Alright, picture this. You hop into a server, and boom, your very own private voice channel spawns just for you. No clutter, no waiting, no mess. Just your space, ready to roll. And the best part? When you're done, it cleans itself up, like magic. This bot is built on Discord.js v14 with shiny new v2 components, which means it's smooth, modern, and powerful. You'll get features like automatic cleanup and even control panels that make managing your server super easy. And let's jump right into the setup. First things first, head over to the GitHub repo. Don't worry, the link is down in the description for you. Open it up and download the code straight to your system. Easy peasy. And hey, if you're more of a Git pro, you can totally clone the repo or use any other method you like. The point is, get that code onto your machine so we can bring this bot to life. Let's go! Open the project in your IDE. I'm using VS Code, but you can use whatever you like. And just like that, the code's in front of you, ready to roll. After that, pop open your terminal and type npmi. That's gonna install all the dependencies the bot needs. Then, find the file called .env.example, rename it to just .env, and drop in your details, like your bot token and bot ID. Easy setup, and you're almost ready to launch. To grab your bot token and ID, head over to the Discord developer portal. Create a new application and give it a name. Then jump to the bot section, scroll down, and make sure to enable the required intents. Don't forget to save. Now hit Reset Token, copy it, and paste it into your .env file. After that, go back to the General section, copy your application ID, and drop that into the .env too. Boom! Your bot's credentials are locked in. Alright, time to fire it up. In your terminal, run node src/zarco.js. And just like that, your bot is online. Now, let's bring it into a server so we can test it out. You can use this tool to invite your bot to a server. The link's in the description. Boom, your bot's in, ready to test commands. Now let's set it up inside Discord. In your server, type the command /setup. Then just follow the steps it gives you. Super simple. Once that's done, hop into the generator voice channel and boom, the bot creates your private voice channel automatically. Leave it empty and watch. It cleans itself up. Fully working, just like magic. And that's it! Your private voice channel bot is live and working. If you want this running 24/7, join the support server in the description and I'll help you out. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!